Alright, go ahead and turn it. Other way. All the way, keep turning. There you go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, that's good. Alright, no more. Got a power steering hose leaking here on the dually. And it's this line right here. It's this line right here. Assume this one goes down into our steering box somewhere, which is probably going to be maybe down there. It's got a clamp down here, maybe on the frame. I'll try to do this with my tire on, but it's not a big deal to take the tire off. And then I've got some loom to replace. This is 1-inch wire loom, split loom. It's all cracked up, just dry. So I'm gonna order some of that and replace it. 16 here. Good way to... Oh! Alright. Like a life flight flying over. Or fire department. Oh, for sure. It's actually big fires in my... actually half my... I came home to half my field burned up. So fire department's down there working it. Looks like they're bringing in a helicopter now. Still trying to work in here without with the tire on, which is kind of dumb. Okay. All right, 13 millimeter, 1/2 inch. General Motors metric half. Okay, let's see if I can break this. Break something. What's that? This wind is incredible. There's the one on to the left, and then the one inside is the one I need to get off. Okay, let's try this 17. 18. Yeah, 18. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's good. Now, okay. Okay, go. Now, getting this line out is going to be interesting. I might have to pull that other line just to get it out. I feel like that might be a thing that has to happen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take the other line loose. Let's take this one out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one, chase the other one in while this one's partially routed. That way I don't get confused. Alright, so I think I've done this wrong. This needs to be on the other side. This was supposed to be over here. But it needs to be on... This is kind of weird because you gotta get it on the inside of these brake lines, but the outside of the steering shaft. And that's missing an O-ring now. I don't like that. Did it get left in there? Okay, I gotta get the O-ring out of the outside one. Trying to dig this O-ring out kind of blind. I know there should be an O-ring in here. There's just zero room to work back here. There we go. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Oh shoot, dropped it. Okay, there we go. Alright, got it. Looks like it's in terrible shape. Let's put this back together and get her kind of cleaned up. Okay, get that O-ring on. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, she's there. Whew, work. Somewhere down here. Try to get this piece on. Guess I'll just put it on like that. Got a nice little rubber protector there. Put this bracket over it. Something like that. Perfect. Oh, my dauber. I'm gonna leave that a little loose and get the top one tied up. Then I think I'll be done. There. I got that thing right up against that brake booster. I think they got that bent a little too hard. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, let's go down below and finish. My paper towel. Okay, let's go ahead and get this finished, tighten. Okay, that's pretty tight. Move you over here. Okay, here we go. Test her out now. This line is just touching here. I'm gonna just bend it ever so slightly away. It's got a little bit of clearance there now. There, that's a lot better. This is away. I think that's much better. Okay. I have to vibrate in this beast up and I'll see if it works. I'll put some fluid in it. Might need some more. I'll have to get a helper to double check, see, make sure those don't leak. Okay, it's been a few weeks and oil's starting to, well, the power steering fluid's starting to dry up. At least I'm not seeing any leaks. And we've been on a few road trips so far. So to wrap this up, I'm just gonna replace this wiring. The convoluted tubing around that wiring harness. And I've got some 10 foot of 1 inch here. Trying to run it from down here and run it up to this connector right here. And I'll tape it up with electrical tape. maybe I'll put this up and then go up top and try to figure out where it all fits together. I don't really like that thing, but it's there, so I'm leaving it. Okay, here's what I ended up doing. So for this hole, I stuck that spare clip I had for the 1-inch harness, and this hole I stuck the breather tube. I think that was the breather tube for the front differential, laying down here with another wire tied to it. I stuck it up here. And so if you look, or if we try, maybe I can see, shine a light down here. Yeah, you can kind of, maybe you can, maybe you can't. So there's that one kind of in there, kind of helps pick the harness up back there. I'm not sure how much that, and then there's, so there's that breather picked up, and I got that other harness picked up. So that's all for this one.